I just would like really to express our appreciation to all the organizers of this Expo, Taiwan Expo 2025. And in behalf of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, it is a great honor to join you today in celebrating the opening of this momentous event. The Philippines and Taiwan have long shared a relationship rooted in industrial cooperation and mutual economic progress. Over the years, our industries have worked hand in hand, driven by innovation, entrepreneurship, and the shared goal of supporting each other. Both sides have been steadfast and economic drivers in the region. And today, we recognize the invaluable support of our government and private sectors in sustaining this enduring partnership. We have been remarkably achieving in our alliance in green technologies, and we have pursued initiatives that strengthen sustainability. In smart manufacturing and ICT, we have advanced productivity and efficiency. In agri-fisheries, we are working together to ensure food security and better livelihoods. And in healthcare, our partnership are improving access, wellness, and resilience. Each of these efforts has expanded markets, created opportunities, and set the stage for even greater industrial progress. The Taiwan Expo 2025 is a shining example of what such cooperation makes possible. This event is a dynamic platform where Philippines and Taiwanese companies can connect, share expertise, and forge partnership that will carry our industries into the future. I encourage our enterprises to take full advantage of the business-to-business networking that would be happening today here in this stage or in this area, to explore new ventures that push us forward and to embrace the exchange of innovation and expertise. Looking ahead, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry is committed to supporting comprehensive and sustainable partnership with Taiwan and encourage our fellow chambers and industry members, SME partners, and business leaders to participate and actively contribute to this cross-border partnership. We see immense potential in technology transfer, talent exchange, and joint venture that can make our industries stronger and our supply chains more resilient. By working together, we strengthen not only our respective economies, but also our role as regional leaders in innovation and growth. In closing, allow me to reaffirm the Philippines business community's strong support for deeper engagement with our Taiwanese counterparts. To our partners at TITRA and TITA, thank you for your continued support as our strategic partners. We are optimistic about a future filled with innovation, prosperity, and shared success. A future built on the collaboration we forged today at Taiwan Expo 2025 in the Philippines. Thank you very much. And again, I wish this Expo and its participants great success. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Engineer Yunina Manyo.